The first thing we do before we steam clean is vacuum the floors really well. Get up dust, dirt, and hair. Look at all that dust and dirt, just from one job, just from one room. Look at that. That's quite a bit for one room. Then we spray our cleaner down. Keep in mind our cleaner is healthy for crawling babies and pets. Now we're going to agitate the carpet, scrub in the cleaner. Now we're going to steam clean it. We're going to take several dry passes, suck up as much water as we can so that your carpet dries quicker. Also, we're going to spot treat. When we see a spot, we're going to attempt to get it up. Notice that we protect your appliances. We are going to also protect the walls. Wipe up any water that we may have